Learn how to install your restoration long plate from Nostalgic Warehouse in this quick video tutorial. Once you receive your hardware, open the box to see what is included. The box includes 2 long plates, 2 knobs, 1 strike plate with 2 wood screws, 1 face plate with 2 wood screws, 4 to 8 wood mounting screws, 1 spindle, 1 latch, 1 privacy release key included with privacy sets only, 1 Allen wrench, 1 privacy pin included with privacy sets only, and 2 nylon bushings. You will need a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with a 1/8 inch bit, and measuring tape. Remove any current hardware you may have on your door. If this is a new door, make sure there is already a pre-drilled borehole. Use your measuring tape to measure from the edge of the door to the center of the borehole. Standard back sets are either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Standard doors are 1 3/8 inches thick or 1 3/4 inches thick. If you have a privacy set, locate the privacy function hole on the latch. Make sure the threaded side of the privacy function hole is installed facing the interior side of the door. Insert the latch into the door through the borehole. If you have a privacy set, make sure the non-threaded privacy release hole faces the outside of the door. The beveled side of the tongue should face towards the door jamb when the door is open. If it is facing the wrong direction, rotate the tongue to face the correct direction. Place the faceplate over the latch tongue on the edge of the door. Mark the holes. Remove the faceplate and drill the holes. Use the provided wood screws to attach the faceplate to the door. Insert the spindle through the latch from the outside of the door, with the button side first. Make sure you push the button down and hold down during insertion. Install the exterior plate by sliding it onto the spindle. Take 1 nylon bushing and slide it onto the spindle to center the plate. Make sure the edge of the plate is parallel to the edge of the door. When installing the exterior half, make sure the privacy release hole is adjacent to the door's edge. Mark the mounting holes through the plate with a pencil. Remove the plate and use the drill and 1/8 inch bit to drill the mounting holes into the exterior of the door. Replace the plate and bushing. Use the wood mounting screws to secure the plate to the exterior of the door. If the knob has hex screws, screw 2 of them into the knob using the Allen wrench if they are not already installed. If they are installed, you may need to loosen them. This will secure the knob to the spindle. Make sure hex screws are installed at a 90-degree angle, for example in the 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock position. Screw the knob onto the spindle to center the plate. The knob must be oriented so that the hex screws seat flush against the flat sides of the spindle. Tighten the screws at a 90-degree angle. Slide the interior plate-in bushing onto the spindle. Make sure the privacy pin hole is adjacent to the door's edge, and the plate is parallel with the door edge. Mark the mounting holes through the plate with a pencil. Remove the plate and use the drill and 1/8 inch bit to drill the mounting holes into the interior of the door. Replace the plate and slide the nylon bushing onto the spindle to center the plate. Use the wood mounting screws to secure the plate to the interior of the door. Take the interior knob and screw it onto the spindle. Tighten the last 2 hex screws into the knob using the Allen wrench. Make sure the hex screws are installed at a 90-degree angle, for example in the 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock position on the ferrule. Turn both knobs to ensure they are on securely. For privacy sets, insert the privacy pin in the hole and twist to tighten. To ensure functionality, push the privacy pin in and check that the exterior knob does not turn. To test the privacy release function, with the door open, push in the privacy pin. Then insert the privacy release key on the outside of the door and push to unlock the door. The last step is the installation of the strike plate. Mark and drill the holes for the strike plate. Place the strike plate on the inside of the door jamb and install with the provided wood screws. You have now correctly installed your beautiful Nostalgic Warehouse restoration hardware. For more information about Nostalgic Warehouse, contact our customer support team.